Hello guys. So welcome to the seventh question in our database management systems. And the question is, there is a computer company called Next Computer. All marketing in the company is done using a computer software. The software is used with database to store data. The product table of the database is given below. And the first question is, create a database named Next Computer to save the data in the product table. So we are going to make the database, and for change we are going to create this database with queries. And if you refresh this, we can see the database here. Second question is, create a table named product in your database. Follow the instructions below to create a table. So we are given with the column names and their data types here. So let's start with making a table. In the third question, it says to insert the data into the product table you created and use the data in the product table above. So here I'm going to insert this data with insert queries, as it's easier to insert with insert queries than graphical method. So let's give the queries here, and these are my queries. So if you prefer to give the database name as well, you can give the database name before the table name. So in the insert query we have insert into Next Computer, which is a database, and the product, the table name, and the column names we are going to insert values and the values of these columns. So let's execute this. And here you can see the data is in this table. So in the fourth question, it says, the owner of this store has identified the Lenovo brand as the least sold computer brand in his company. He has decided to remove the Lenovo brand from his store. Write the relevant query statement to remove the Lenovo brand. So we are going to remove this Lenovo brand here. And here you can see the Lenovo is the fourth record here. And if you refresh it after executing this query, you can see the fourth record is removed from this table. And the fifth question says, the Asus brand ROG Zephyrus M15 laptop is no longer manufactured. So it has been decided to remove this laptop from the database and write the required delete query statement. So let's write the query here. So in here, we are going to give the brand and the model to select the record we want to delete, as other brands can also make the same model again. So let's take an example. If Asus has this ROG Zephyrus M15 and Samsung also can make a model called Roxaferus M15. So if there are two records like this and we only search with this Roxaferus M15 model, both records from different brands will be deleted. So instead of using it like this, we are given the brand name as well as to uniquely identify the particular record we want to delete. So let's execute this query. And the table is here. The second record is the desired record we want to delete. And let's refresh this. And here you can see the record is deleted in here. So that's all for this question 7. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.